looking at the address, I want where we have South Carolina and SC1 to be in two different lines, right? We're going to go to the preview and see what is happening. All right, now when we were creating the Microsoft Mail Merge document some time ago, the software put the address into one block or one unit, right? So the street address and the state is in one block. So what we're going to do now, we're going to delete this address block. What we're going to do now, we're going to check the match fields by going to make sure that you're on the mailings tab on the ribbon. So if you're at home, you would click this tab, then you would go to the group that is labeled write and insert fields. So what we're going to do, we're going to check the match fields first to see if the computer matched the fields with the Excel table with the names. So the first name is matched to first name, last name is correctly matched to last name, the address is matched to address, and the city is matched to city, and the state is matched to state. So it is correctly matched. So we're going to click OK. And what we're going to do now, we're going to come to the again in the mailings tab on the ribbon. Then we're going to come down to the write and insert fields group, and we're going to click this drop down arrow under the insert merge field. I'm going to click on it, and we're going to insert the title. I'm going to come back again and click the down arrow. I'm going to insert the first name. I'm going to come back and insert the last name. Then I'm going to press enter on the keyboard, and then I'm going to come back here. I'm going to insert the address, which is the street address, enter. We're going to insert the city. I'm going to click enter. We're going to insert the state and press a comma and put the zip code beside the state. All right. So this is how you would modify the address in the mail merge document. So when you come to preview results, so you can click this icon and you can see, oh, we need some spaces between the the title, the first name, and the surname. So we're going to click preview results, and we need to put the cursor between the title and the first name. I'm going to press a space bar. I'm going to do the same thing between the first name and last name. I'm going to press a space bar. Then we're going to come back here now and click preview results, and here it is. We have Christine Black. We're going to go back to the first record, and we're going to check it now that it is complete, right? So we have the first record. The address is one old way. I remember I wanted the city and the state to be in two different lines, right? So I'm going to click the second record, or the name is correct. Also, the format for the address is the same. So we're going to check the third record, which is the third letter. We're going to check the fourth record, the fifth record, the sixth, the seventh record, the eighth record, the ninth record, the 10th, the 11th, the 12th, and the 13th. So we can see that the format for the address, where I wanted the city and the state to be in two different lines, one address is now fixed. In summary, I showed you today how to format the address and also how to edit the document.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.